I would love to send this message to all PMs that this is our time to shine. There is a lot of misconception there that, if you start using Claude Code or if you configure OpenClaw, you become a builder PM.
Mahesh Yadav, who's been a PM everywhere, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, last but not least, Google.
This is the time to build your own world. And I believe in that future, and that's why I left, and I have zero regrets. If you know your skills, you can build it in Claude Code and delegate that work to agents. I don't know its limitations. It does anything that I want it to do. This is an open challenge I have given to anybody that if you can do a job, just tell me the job and this agent will do it better than you 365 days, 24 hours. Everything which used to take you almost 2 to 3 months first to write the PRD, to get to mocks, from mocks to a real working prototype, from there to getting customers and seeing the signals, all that is getting squeezed with this Claude Code, and you become the builder PM that the world needs. The ability to sandbox these agents in a controlled way, that's an unsolved problem. And that, I think, is what I am excited about.
Google isn't going to allow you to just give your company access to an open claw.
Yeah, no, I 100% agree. I think the idea is